The NFC Wood Card Factory of CardCube Group is located within the CardCube Group Industrial Park. We meticulously select high-quality, eco-friendly natural wood and embed the required NFC chips into the predetermined wood veneer materials. Through a lamination process, the chips and wood are tightly bonded together, enhancing the card's hardness and durability. To guarantee the durability of the NFC Smart Wood Cards in various environments, they undergo a waterproofing treatment. High-precision cutting machines are then used to cut them into standard-sized smart card, depending on customer requirements. Personalized designs can be achieved through laser engraving, coating, and printing on the NFC Smart Wood Cards. Finally, each card undergoes strict quality inspections to ensure that every card delivered to our customers is safe and reliable. The packaging utilizes recyclable eco-friendly paper boxes for sealing, providing customers with a fully environmentally conscious product from the inside out. NFC Smart Wood Cards, with their eco-friendly material, unique taste, and personalized designs, are particularly suited for high-end markets and custom needs, offering an exclusive and prestigious experience in every detail.